Welcome back, everyone. You are tuning in to the Jack and Maya podcast, and I am Maya. So thrilled to be here with you today.
And I'm Jack, equally thrilled to connect with all of you. It's always a pleasure to have our listeners join us for another engaging conversation.
So, Jack, to kick things off, how has your day been unfolding so far?
It's actually been pretty good, but I have to say, this weather has been a bit of a puzzle for me. It's just been so unpredictable.
Oh, really? What makes you say that?
Well, picture this. I woke up this morning to glorious sunshine, blue skies, and it felt so warm. But now, as I look out the window, the sky is just dark and completely overcast. It's like two different days wrapped into one.
I completely resonate with that, actually. I had a similar experience. I even thought to myself, what a perfect day for a long, leisurely walk outside. But now, seeing those heavy clouds, it looks like Mother Nature has other plans.
Exactly. From where I'm sitting, it definitely looks like we're heading for some rain pretty soon. It's funny how quickly things can shift, isn't it?
And you know what? That sudden shift is actually quite fitting because today on the podcast, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of weather and seasons.
It truly is. I think weather is one of those universally accessible topics, especially when you're trying to strike up a conversation in English. It's just so natural and non-threatening.
Absolutely. It's like a go-to icebreaker. Even with complete strangers, you can easily start a friendly chat just by commenting on the weather.
You're so right. It could be something as simple as, wow, it's really windy today, isn't it? Or a shared observation like, I think it's going to rain later this afternoon.
Precisely. Those kinds of simple observational sentences are so effective. They open the door to a more extended conversation without any awkwardness. So let's get personal for a moment, Jack. What kind of weather truly brightens your day or makes you feel most at ease? What's your absolute favorite?
Oh, that's an easy one for me, Maya. I am, without a doubt, a cold weather person. I absolutely love it. There's just something so comforting about bundling up in a warm hoodie, maybe a chunky knit sweater, and holding a steaming mug of hot coffee or tea. It feels so cozy and inviting.
Really? That's fascinating because I'm almost your complete opposite. I thrive on sunny summer days. The brighter and warmer, the better for me, honestly.
I had a feeling you were going to say that.
I just genuinely feel happier, more energized, and more optimistic when the sun is shining down. It's like a natural mood booster.
I totally get that. Sunny days definitely have a way of injecting more energy into everything. But on the flip side, there's also something incredibly appealing about rainy days. They bring a different kind of comfort, wouldn't you say? There's a coziness to them.
That's so true. I have to concede that point. Staying inside, curled up with a soft blanket, perhaps a cup of tea, and just listening to the rhythmic patter of rain outside, it truly feels amazing, almost meditative.
Absolutely, especially at night when everything else is quiet. Those rain sounds are just inherently soothing and incredibly relaxing.
I agree. However, I have to admit, while listening to the rain is lovely, the act of actually walking outside in the rain can be quite a different story. It can be, well, a bit miserable, can't it?
Oh, completely. There's nothing quite like the immediate dampness that soaks through your shoes and socks. Wet feet can absolutely ruin your entire mood.
And let's not even get started on umbrellas. They seem to have a mind of their own, especially when it gets windy. They just never seem to work properly, do they?
That is so incredibly true. Mine always ends up turning inside out, becoming completely useless. It's like a battle you can never win.
It's interesting how profoundly weather also seems to impact and even change our emotions, isn't it?
Definitely. It's a widely observed phenomenon. Take cloudy, gloomy days, for instance. They sometimes make people feel tired, a bit lethargic, or even just plain lazy.
And on the other end of the spectrum, spring, with its reawakening of nature, really seems to make people feel refreshed, invigorated, and truly motivated. It's a season of new beginnings.
It certainly is. There's a tangible sense of renewal. And speaking of spring, Maya, why do you particularly love that season?
For me, it's all about the transformation. I absolutely adore spring because it's when the world just bursts back into life. The flowers start blooming again, trees regain their vibrant green leaves, and everything feels fresh and hopeful.
That's a lovely perspective. I can definitely appreciate that fresh energy. For me, though, if I had to pick a favorite season, it would undoubtedly be autumn.
Ah, autumn. Is it because of the breathtaking, colorful leaves that transform the landscape into a masterpiece?
Exactly. You hit the nail on the head. There's something truly magical about autumn. Everything just explodes with shades of orange, yellow, and deep red. The air gets crisp, there's a distinct smell, and it just creates this incredibly peaceful atmosphere.
That sounds absolutely beautiful, Jack. I can totally imagine that serene feeling you're describing.
And it's also fascinating how rich the English language is when it comes to weather-related expressions and idioms.
They really do. Like a classic one we often hear is under the weather. It's so commonly used.
Yes, that's a perfect example. And for anyone listening, that simply means you're feeling a little bit sick or unwell.
Right. Or another wonderfully vivid expression is, it's raining cats and dogs.
It's great, isn't it? It just instantly conveys the image of extremely heavy rain, a real downpour. English can certainly sound very funny and imaginative with these kinds of phrases sometimes.
It truly can. It just adds so much character to everyday speech. Before we wrap things up, we just want to send a quick reminder to all our amazing listeners. Please don't forget to hit that like button on this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the Jack and Maya podcast. Your support means the world to us.
And we would absolutely love to hear from you. Please tell us in the comments section below, what's the weather like in your part of the world right now?
Are you experiencing sunny skies, perhaps a rainy afternoon? Is it windy where you are, or even snowy? We are genuinely curious to know.
We would truly love to hear your responses.
All right, I think that brings us to the end of another wonderful episode.
This really was such a relaxing and insightful conversation. I always enjoy our chats, Maya.
Me too, Jack. And to all of you, thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us today.
Take care, everyone, and stay well wherever you are.
And remember, no matter the forecast, every single day is a good day to practice your English. Keep learning, keep growing.
Bye, everyone. We're signing off for now.
And we will definitely see you all in the very next episode.